Exercise 1.2. Find the rank of the following matrices by minor method. Here the matrix is given as 2 minus 4 minus 1 2. Let A be the matrix 2 minus 4 minus 1 2. We want to find the determinant value. So we know we should put the determinant symbol for this. So determinant 2 minus 4 minus 1 2. Find the determinant value of this. It's nothing but we have to cross multiply these things. 4 minus of plus 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Here the determinant value of this 2 by 2 matrix is 0. We got the answer as 0 here. Therefore, we shouldn't have the rank as 2. We have to reduce that as 1. So, rank of A, that is row of A, is equal to 1 here. Second problem, the next problem in this, find the rank of the matrices by minor method. Here it's given a 3 by 3 matrix. So we want to find the determinant value of this 3 by 3 matrix here. So determinant value is nothing but we have to put the determinant symbol like this and then expand through the first column. That is the determinant value, isn't it? So 1 into minus 4 plus 6 and then minus 2 into minus of minus 2 is nothing but plus 2 here into remove these two minus 2 minus of minus 30, that is plus 30 here and then plus 3 into remove this 2 minus 20 here. Here it must be minus 20. So we want to simplify this thing here. 1 into 2, that is 2, and then 2 into 28, that is 56, and then 3 into 22, it's 66 here. So it is 124. So it is not equal to 0, isn't it? So the determinant value of 3 by 3 matrix is 0. Here it is not equal to 0, isn't it? So if it is 0, we have to reduce to the next one. But here it is not equal to 0. So we have to take the rank as it is there. Since it is the 3 by 3 matrix, the rank of A, that is row of A, is 3. So rank of A is 3 here. In the first one, fourth subdivision, here it's given the matrix 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, 2, 4, 3, 8, 1, 0, 2. Let this matrix as A and then find the determinant value of this matrix. We can take for any 3 by 3 matrix from this. So for example, I want to take this here as the first 3 by 3 matrix here. So 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 4, 8, 1, 0. Find the determinant value of this is nothing but 0 into here 0 minus 4 and then minus 1 into 0 minus 32 and then 2 into 0 minus 16. So the answer is 0 here. So for this first 3 columns, we got the determinant value as 0. So you want to take some other matrix, 3 by 3 matrix from the same matrix here. So I want to take these things now. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 3, 1, 0, 2. Here I want to take this for 1. So here 8 minus 0 and then for this 2, 4 minus 3 and then for this 1, 0 minus 4 here. So it's nothing but 8 minus 2 minus 4. Here it's nothing but it's not equal to 0. So if it is not equal to 0, we can take here this 3 by 3 matrix, the determinant value is not equal to 0 here. Therefore, we can take this rank of A, that is row of A, is nothing but 3 here.